In today's quick video, we're going to talk about how to fix your Philips Sonicare toothbrush not charging. If yours suddenly stopped powering up, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. A lot of users report charging problems, especially after about 2 years of use. However, some people have even experienced issues shortly after purchasing the device. The first thing you should check is the charging contacts. Look at the metal contact point on the bottom of the toothbrush handle and also inspect the charging base. If there's toothpaste residue, water buildup, or mineral deposits, it can block proper charging. Clean both areas gently with a dry cloth or a cotton swab dipped in a little rubbing alcohol, then let everything dry completely before trying again. Next, make sure you're using the original charger and that the outlet is working properly. Try plugging the charger into a different outlet to rule out power issues. Also confirm that the toothbrush is sitting properly on the base and not tilted. If none of these steps fix the problem, it may be a battery or internal hardware issue. Some users have reported that this can be related to manufacturing defects. In those cases, contacting Philips customer support is your best option. Depending on your warranty status, they may offer a replacement or a discount toward a new toothbrush.